Hello friends, welcome to Damu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this model, we are going to discuss our sixth question. What is that? They are given some coordinates, A, B, C points. After arranging these 3 points in a one shape, it's making one equilateral triangle. So equilateral triangle, let's going to consider one equilateral triangle. Draw one triangle. What is that? Let's going to draw like this. So it is, let's going to take, this is A, this is B, and this is C. Whatever it is, let's going to take A, B, C points. So here A is A comma 0 and B is minus A comma 0 and C is 0 comma A root 3. So here it is making that ABC triangle. Then you can arrange here also A, B, C. Like that also we can arrange. Then what is this? Let's going to calculate what is the length of all this one. So what is the length of triangle ABC? So what is the formula of triangle? Let triangle ABC. What are the sides? So sides here, AB is one side and BC and CA. So these are the three sides. So what is the formula of length? Distance formula. In coordinate geometry, distance will be equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is the standard formula for calculating distance. So this is the formula of distance. So x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Let's going to calculate AB. So length of AB, distance of A and B. So distance of A and B is AB will be equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So here what are the coordinates? So A is nothing but A comma 0 and B is nothing but, what is that? Minus A comma 0. So let's going to substitute. X2 is minus A, let's going to take like that, and x1 is minus A plus y2 is 0, y1 is also 0. So 0 0 will be 0. So minus A minus 2A whole square root. Why? Because 0 is 0. No need to calculate anything. Then divide by using of one formula. What is that? Since square root of AB will be equal to square root of A into square root of B. So here also same like that. Here 4A square. 4A square root. 4A square. Why? Because here what I am doing here is 2 square. 2 square is minus square is plus and 2 square is 4 and A square as it is. So let's going to divide this one by square root of 4 into square root of A square. So square root will going to cancel and it is 2A centimeters. So what is this? 2A. So length of AB will be equal to 2A. Next one. Length of AC or BC. Let's going to take BC. What is the B point here? Minus A comma 0. What is the point of C? 0 comma A root 3. So that is the one. Now let's going to consider square root of, what you can say here, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Anything you can consider. Here don't get confused. In previous problems we are taken as x3 y3 for the third quadrant, fourth one x4 y4. But don't confuse. Whatever it is, one coordinate will be x1 y1 and another will be x2 y2. So x2 is nothing but 0 minus x1 of minus 1 minus A whole square plus y2 is A root 3 minus 0 whole square. Let's going to consider this one. So minus into minus will become A square plus A root 3 whole square and square root. So A square plus A square root 3 whole square. Square root will going to cancel. Again square root is there. So here a square plus 3a square. Now this is 4a square, then square root of 4 into square root of a square. Square root will going to cancel. This is 2a centimeters. As we know that this is 2a. Next one, we need to calculate what is the final one. So this is first one, second, third. What is third one is CA, length of CA. Length of CA. What are the coordinates? So C is nothing but C is 0 comma a root 3 and A is nothing but what is that? A comma 0. Let's go into write formula, that is x2 minus x1 whole square, that is a root 3 minus a whole square plus y2. So here let's going to take, this is not x2, so x2 is 0 minus a plus a root 3 minus 0 whole square. Sorry for that. So here we'll get like that. So minus a whole square plus a root 3 whole square. Let's going to divide this as minus into minus. That will be, so square root of a square plus a square root 3 square. Square root will going to cancel like previous one. Here a square plus 3a square root, keep it as it is. A square plus 3a square is nothing but what? 4a square. Then again divide square root of 4 into square root of a square, since the formula, that is 2a centimeters. So this is also 2a centimeters. Since, therefore, what you can say here is AB will be equal to BC will be equal to CA. AB will be equal to BC will be equal to CA. That will be equal to 2a centimeters. Then what is that? Therefore, triangle ABC, all sides are equal to each other. That point we need to consider here. So ABC is an equilateral triangle. So equilateral triangle. So like this we have to find by using of all the sides. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and try to share with your friends and family members.